tên gì em là should you need to go please.
Okay, before we go to the entertainment session, the last one from this session is my golf ball on the chair.
Yay!
Next one, the other one. Then the next one is just some family from Briscoe. Yes, all come up.
이 정도죠?
Can you all come up, please?
Family pura las. Asal mo? Family pura.
Next one, Kelhamo.
Yan sila mo. Yeah.
Cho nên làm gì? Trong 3 đến Tsering. Cho chào bác gì? Cho nó luôn. And Tenzing.
Tenzing from Tsering.
Tenzin is my brother from Switzerland. He came all the way from Switzerland. Thank you, John. My dear brother.
Okay. Everyone here? 3, 2, 1.
당가조데 원 제고랄랭에 참말로 아니 제 모르셔서 한다야 보도 어데 모르셔서 백고용보도 세수야이다
Topgyal's younger brother, and he is officially Sonam's best man, and he'd like to say a few words on this special occasion.
Yeah. First of all, Tashdele everyone. Hope you enjoy it. So, I don't know where to start because I'm a little bit drunk. But I want to talk about all the great things about myself. Just joking. So normally when you do these things, you think all the best things, how kind there are. But for me, I just saw all the bad things my brother did to me. I'm not forgetting. But jokes aside, I'm going to talk about how kind and nice he is. But I'll keep it short. I want to say thank you to everyone coming down. I know people come across the UK, people come outside the country. So thank you. And then congratulations to the bride and groom. Cheers! Who's next?
Digitumare, Tsering Pingasumare, Tani Marando Sashana, Tsering Zepoti, Tendi, Patuni, Chashikunyeta, Kandapata, Tilni, Kalishi Kavere, and then Marang Tamshe, Samaki, Yapu, Seminary, Digitumana. Marang the country, and catching the
자시들의 당라 아니 그중에 주주다 아주아주 창설을 내어라 등주 채널 아니 계속 가을년 볼도 가을년 무초용하셔 아니 당을 계속하시 직시하여. The last one who spoke is Diki, but I'm the better Diki. Yeah. So for those of you who may not know me, I'm Diki, and I'm Tails' younger sister. You may. Some people may think I'm the older one. I had that quite a few times. Yes. First of all, I'm so incredibly happy to be here today celebrating the union of Tsering and Topgyal. It's truly an honor to give this speech, but nothing compares to the honor of being your sister, Ajay. I had the privilege of knowing my wonderful sister my entire life and some of hers. Tsering introduced Topgyal to us on the 23rd of June 2018. It was hot summer day in Cardiff, and it's been an absolutely pleasure getting to know you ever since, Jojo. Sorry, I feel like I'm so loud, I want to hear myself. There's some people in this world who are gifted to you, placed in your life for a reason. For me, that person is my biggest sister and my best friend. Not everyone gets to experience someone so loving, caring, beautiful, funny, and ambitious, but luckily for my sister, she has me. Being the younger sister, I don't just get to have one mum, but I get two. Thank you for always taking care of me, for making me feel safe, for picking me up, for picking up every... Sorry, I'm feeling a bit emotional. Woo!
Keep going.
And for always being there. You have always been my protector, whether that meant waking up in the middle of the night to walk me to the bathroom after watching a scary movie, or protecting my heart from everyone try to hurt it. You were my defender. Even when Asham would scold me, you always took my side. And you were my uplifter. When I couldn't talk to anyone else, I always knew I could talk to you. Growing up, I definitely took full advantage of having you as my safe space. We argued probably more than any sisters did. I don't know any other sisters that argue more than myself or my Atta. But no matter what happens, but no matter how many disagreements we had, you always understood me, even when we weren't seeing eye to eye. You never stopped listening, caring, or showing up for me, and that meant so much to me than you will ever know, Ajay. How lucky I am to have grown up with a sister like you, my best friend, and the best big sister I've ever hoped for. My favorite memories are the simplest ones, just spending time together, laughing, and being us. Whenever you came home from Oxford, or whenever the three of us, Ahu, Ajay, and I were together, everything felt right. We didn't need plans or distractions, we just needed, just being together makes my world feel complete. Okay, I think I said too much about my sister. Let's talk about Jojo. Okay, I met Jojo in 2018. I've known him before that as well, but as friends, not as family. So, now Jojo, welcome to the family. But he's been in my family group chat since 2019, let's say. Okay? I'm so happy that our family has grown from 4 members to 5, that's including my baby Gangdu here. Okay? Thank you for being the best uncle to Gangdu. Thank you for loving him as much as we do. And
Sashu Kasalish, Pepig, Kandel Mambala, and Mazo Nom Tona, the church there, and then Tomdi Tagidele, and the Tomisho, the church, the number Toman de Pella, Nidaman, Tujiche Shai. And personal Tajido, the Tsering Yangzom, and Mazendino, Shawalam, Kazuseton, Chenzo Chonte, and the same Neri, Shawalam, Yugan, Takimede commercially. And then number Tomala, Shilanya, Buchoro, the Jabo, Toro Sesha, the Missika, came down numbers on the Taki Bilan to
So, Tangun and a Manshe, Takadi Chess is shy. Oh, yeah, Ngandeme, Tsering. Ngandeme. Oh, yeah. Timuchik Che. Oh, Shaboleta. That Tanga Lagmeda Zagashi. Shame Marwa. Alele. Alume. That is. 알로 매 챌린지. 다 정거 이마로. 아마 정거 사거다. 몽골에서 말다 미 몽골라도 다 챌린지. 난다며. 그래. 아마. 아데 깨다 침벌지다 한데서. 네다. 건조 뭐네 저번님 벌지. 빈자님 벌지다. 아니 너네만 요래. 소소 리어래 좀 소소 리어래. 알레. 신비체. 신비제 야벌레가 뭐다. 디살. 당이 제네랑 이 빈자진데 용거야다 돼. 네, 이제 제가 뭐지 또 그렇게 하고 좀 하나. 오늘 비프레샤. 예, 랑샤체. 아마 셀랑 오늘 쇼도다. 비다 비프레샤. 야, 비프 임버 들인지. 데 가래자. 공부도. 다자 치킨 체. 샤메 사자 도해라다. 사자레스. 템바. 내가 샤메 말와. 알레 로스. 쇼소도다. 셀라 오늘. 야, 전화 치래. 피자 가오요. 티물리도 아디고. 근데 가래샤. 포크레샤 아마 이바 다디다. 오늘. 샹글레 포크 이바. 셰프 저런 쇼. 한국어다. 아마.
This is mushroom and beef.
스토막. 제브로.
Champignons, only champignons.
땜방원은 칼란 제시 잔디도.
Yeah, but champignons.
다 shum문도다. 오늘. 네. 오늘 내가래다. 주마. 아마.
Beef salad.
Beef salad. Oh, beef.
Enjoy.
Nimbara, Tsering.
Yes, thank you. Next, you will see the petites pâtes.
This is Tibetan sausage.
Okay.
It's very popular.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
right. Thank you.
Which one's yours?
Yes, yes,
I want.
yes, thank you very much.
One or
Thank
two?
you. No, with one it's okay. Thank you very much.
Tsering, come on, Raza.
Inès, tu veux une saucisse? Tu veux une saucisse? Tu veux une saucisse?
힘내. 주인다. 라스 내지도 맞대 따라자루도 오늘. 슬로. 칠리. 나도 베베기 칼랄다. 스비 예 바로와. 스비 숨나리 오데. 근데 이제네. 샬라 오늘 마마마마.
Ça c'est pour toi. C'est bien comme ça, Inès? Ça te plaît?
템바까지체. 쇼도 오늘 샬라. 아마.
Tu veux du poulet, Inès? Tu veux du poulet? Tu veux du poulet?
Oh yeah. Chile. Kawan chile. Green chile.
Lots of chili for me.
Chicken is
Do you have sausage? Oh yes, please. That's a really good one.
저쪽도 옆에 잠깐만 야 저것도 깔려야 돼. 몇 피스야?
Finish here also.
빼야보 항상
하나 빼고
온내다
단들 하고 영어 매고 나.
온내다 야야
마지 정말 특시.
온내 도체 이게 야야 샬라님 보나고 야 아마 인다 Tsering 도체나 Sonam 샤테 제바친 Sonam 샤테 제
슬리 샤티. 야 보사 그 중에 다리 샤타 끼했다며 다리.
He's the protector of all the diseases. He's the protector from like protector of us, all the diseases.
혹시 동물이다?
네, 네. 아주 인글리시 보지 개매다.
갈라가든가 잡아찼어.
헬로.
Me too. I know.
Hello.
Angry.
왜? 네 말할 수 있겠어.
We'll definitely do that.